trigonometry. Just need to learn some easy terms. We'll start with rather basic things, so listen as we start to sing about angles and some more trigonometry. An angle is two rays with a common ending point. Initial side ends with the terminal side. So just you look at the Cartesian plane. Center position starts on positive x. Quadrantal angles same but ends on an axis. So terminal angles have two sides. Oh, clockwise and